In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Redfin emails. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to confirm so those messages stop landing in your inbox. First, open your web browser. In the address bar or your preferred search engine, type the name of your email provider. This keeps things simple if you don't have the exact URL handy. Press enter to search. From the results, click the official link for your email provider. Look for the correct domain and a secure padlock icon next to the web address so you know you're on the right site. Avoid sponsored results that don't match your provider's official domain. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign into your email account. Enter your username and password and complete any verification your provider requests. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct inbox, especially if you manage more than one email address. Once you're in your inbox, use the search bar to find messages from Redfin. You can type Redfin or look specifically for subject lines like verify your Redfin email address or welcome to Redfin. Sorting by newest first can help you spot the most recent messages. If your inbox groups mail into tabs like primary, promotions, or updates, check those sections as well. Open one of the Redfin emails. Now scroll through the message and look for a small unsubscribe or manage your email preferences link. It's often in the footer in fine print, though some inboxes display an unsubscribe option near the sender's name at the top. Click that link to move to the next step. A pop-up or a new page will open asking you to confirm your choice. If you see a simple unsubscribe button, click it to confirm. If the page says Manage Your Email Preferences, you'll have the option to choose which types of Redfin emails you still want to receive. Turn off the categories you don't want, or select an option to stop all marketing emails if that's available. Be sure to save or confirm your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating your preferences were updated. That's it. Give it a little time for the change to take effect. You might receive a few remaining emails that were already scheduled. If you ever change your mind, you can return to a Redfin message and adjust your preferences again. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your inbox.